Let's build an AI agent together. I'm sure you're very excited, as much as I am, about all of the craziness that's going on in this AI agentic world. We're starting to see so many advancements in being able to build autonomous AI bots to do really interesting things. And so I thought we'd take a few minutes today and build an AI agent together. If you're like me and you deal with a lot of, pretty advanced discussions with companies, more so than often you have to deal with non-disclosure agreements. They really are a pain in the neck. I'm sure you can appreciate that. And so I thought, why don't we build an AI agent that will just take care of sending NDAs on our behalf? It should be pretty simple. I'll show you how to do that with the work platform today. So just to give you some context, the work platform is a generalized automation platform through which you can also build AI agents. And so we've got a library of pre-built, pre-configured micro software bots that you can configure together towards building autonomous agents on top of workflows. I know it can be really quite confusing to think about where AI begins and ends and where automation begins and ends, but I'll break it down for you in a few simple steps here. And so the first thing that I want to show you guys is our integration with openAI. You can also do this with Anthropic or Cohere. We've got those integrations as well. We have an AI agent work action right here that is really pretty straightforward to configure. You just connect it to your openAI account. You tell it which model you want to use. You give it a prompt in terms of what you want to gather from the end user who's interfacing with it. In this case, it'll be me, but anyone else could use this AI agent as well. And so in this case, all I've told it is we're going to be sending a non-disclosure agreement. I need to gather the company's name, jurisdiction, and address. We're also going to need the email address and the name of the person that we're sending this NDA to. And we're capturing all of this information here. Once we've configured our AI agent so it can start interacting with us, we're going to go here to our template. I'm going to show it to you guys really quickly. This is just a Google Docs template that has our standard non-disclosure agreement in it. And you'll see 5 interesting fields here highlighted in yellow. So the company name, the jurisdiction, the address, and then at the bottom as well, the name of the person who's going to sign and their title. I know signer isn't technically a name, but that's okay. You'll let me get away with it. And then from there, what I've also done is I've created a Google Drive, just a folder where all of my NDA documents are going to reside. So let's go ahead and start and finish configuring this thing. So we've already configured now our AI agent to listen and capture this information that we need. I'm going to go and use this copy file in Google Drive work action that's going to take this template that I just showed you, give it a new file name based on the name of the company, copy it in the destination folder in that Google Drive with the permissions that are necessary. Then we have these 2 work actions here that are to replace text in a Google Drive. So we're going to take the information that the AI gathered for us, the name, address, and jurisdiction of the company, and make those changes, as well as the name and title of the signer, and we're going to replace them as well. And that's literally it. From there, we're going to send this to DocuSign for signature, and we're going to send an email to the person with their email with the work NDA, saying this is the work bot, the work AI NDA agent, please go ahead and sign this thing. And then from there, once we launch this workflow, it's basically ready to be consumed. So this is how easy it is to build an AI agent with the work platform. I would love to hear some of the ideas of what you want to build with. By the way, you may have noticed here, there's little prices on the side. We're the only platform in market today that's going to allow you to build an AI agent where you're actually charging your end users per outcome. So in this case, it'll cost me probably under 10 cents per NDA to be sent. Think about how you could monetize this. How about you could go to market with something interesting like this. So if this sounds interesting to you, I'm actually taking the Mo show on the road. I'm coming out to San Francisco next week. I'm putting together a couple of think tank sessions. One on January 27th and one the following week on Tuesday, Feb 4th. They're both going to be between San Francisco and Menlo Park. I'd love to get together and think about this next phase of agentic world. Making the leap from AI agents and AI bots sort of synthesizing information and giving you intelligence to now performing actions. How could we use not just the library of capabilities with work and what we've developed to build the next phase and the next gen of AI agents, but how we help make the leap for these AI agents to become a lot more useful by giving them access to actions. So if this is of interest to you, the link to the Luma page is going to be listed here, and I'd love to see you in San Francisco. Thanks a lot, and if you've got an idea of something to build, reach out to me, mo@work.com, or DM and tag someone, and let's build some AI agents together.